When you want to vaccinate the chicken, this is how you separate them. The outside, you separate them so that you make sure you vaccinate each and every one of them. As you can see, they are blocked by a net. Then we'll take them one after the other to vaccinate them. We're about to start, Just here with my squad, about to start vaccination. Vaccination of the chickens, as you can see over there, the layers. Yeah. Holiday has officially started. Yes.
No, why on the go go